review. Okay, I will give you the word in English and you will translate in Cebuano Leo. Okay? I am your teacher. I am your teacher Leia for today. Okay. Okay, translate it. Don't look down on your note, ha? Just try to okay, open note, but try to not to look on your note. Deal? Deal, bro. Deal.
Good.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. Banana.
Tina pie.
Banana.
Banana. Sa. Wait, let me think.
You know that.
Oh, sagi.
Okay. How about bread? I will check. Bread.
Bread. Tina pie.
No. Bread. There is a lacking of word of letters at the end.
Tina pie.
Okay. How about sardines? Sardines.
Tina pie.
How about chicken?
Manu.
How about water?
Big. Too big.
How about rice?
Gas.
How about fruits?
Frutas.
Egg.
Ilo.
Coffee.
Kapi.
Fish.
Huh?
Fish.
Isda.
Cooking oil. Mantika. That's a new.
Mantika.
Yeah. How about onion?
Yeah,
That's a new word yesterday. Onion. Yeah, try to think, but if you cannot do it, okay, you look at your notes. No.
Sabayas.
Sibuyas. Cebu. U.
Sabuya.
U. The sound of U is U. Okay. How about garlic?
Garlic. Bawang.
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 Okay, bawang. How about salt?
Salt. Asin.
Asin. How about sugar?
Asaka.
U.
Asuka.
Kal.
Asuka.
Asukal.
Suka.
How about soap? Sabon.
Sabon.
How about dried fish?
Bulad.
How about vegetable?
I don't know that one.
Gulay.
Oh, you just said that one.
Gulay. Okay.
You got to give me time to figure it out.
Yeah,
you jump in too
that's
fast.
That's why we review. Okay, that's the secret how to memorize it. Try to not look always on your notes. Okay. Unsa imong giluto ganiha? What did you cook earlier?
Now say that again. Say that.
Unsa imong giluto ganiha? Luto is the keyword.
Yeah.
Past tense ha, past
Manu.
tense. You say it in a phrase.
No. Don't say. Stop being so quick to jump in. Let me figure it out.
Yeah.
Hold on. I gotta cheat a little bit.
That's right.
Nagluto ku manu.
Yeah, nagluto kong manok. Why you use nag?
because it was past tense.
Okay. If I ask you, unsa imong lutuon? Unsa you not yet done cooking but you cook pa.
Magluto ko manu.
Yeah, very good. Very good.